Creating and defining products in Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012 is a three-step process. First step is about defining the core product definition. This can be done from one of the three list pages. Second step, after the creation of the core product definition, is to release it to one or more legal entities for use. Once a product definition has been released to a legal entity, the legal entity can find it in its Release Products list page, which is specific for that legal entity. In this case, opening the Release Products list page will show all the released products to the legal entity of CEU. The product Color Inkjet has just been created and released to CEU. Next step is to finalize the setup for that product representation. The finalization of the product definition can be done in two ways. Either you make use of a template to fill in the needed attributes, or you do it manually by keying in the values. A third option would be to combine these two. In the case of this Color Inkjet printer, we want to base it on another type of printer in the repository. We'll go up and filter for the other product, which we can see here, and we will use this product as a base for our new. Selecting the product we want to use as a base, we can mark it as a template. In order to do so, we need to look at the product in edit mode. From the product details form, we will select the action template. You have the choice here to create a personal template or shared template. Personal template will ensure that it's only the user who can use these templates to apply later on. We will create a new shared template which will allow any user in that installation to use that template. We will provide a same name for it. And thereby save this product definition as a template. The way the template functionality works, it takes a snapshot of this product definition with all its values and keeps a reference to it. So whenever we want to use the template, it will go and look at the values and apply it to the new product we want to use it for. We will close the product details form and go back to the newly created product called Color Inkjet Printer. Since there are templates available, you'll have the option now to apply a template. We will select the action and we can see that we have our new Share Template printer available. We will select that one. By selecting OK, all the values will be applied to our new product. Since using templates in Microsoft Dynamics AX is merely a snapshot of a record at a given time, you might have been in the situation that you have created this template based on an incomplete setup of a product. In order to ensure that all system required values are entered correctly for our new product Color Inkjet Printer, we can go up and validate the setup after having applied the template. Selecting Validate will run a check on all the system required elements, and in this case we can see one specific field value from the template has not been used or set up correctly, and therefore the new product definition will also not have that value present. All in all, we check on fields like item group, item model group, storage and tracking dimension groups. These are all elements that are required in order to post a transaction in AX for this product representation. We will close the info log and go back and enter the final value missing. From the cost, we'll enter the item group that needs to be applied. We can Go back and validate once again, and this time this product definition is ready to be used on any kind of transaction in AX. You can, if needed, apply templates to multiple products. There are specific rules in the templates that will ensure that you do not apply incorrect, invalid combinations of data. As an example, you could have a simple product like the printer here, where you try to apply a template, which is a template stored for product master. This kind of illegal combination will not be possible since there are internal checks for this in the template framework. Once you're done with the setup, you're ready to go. It is important though to note that the template information stored in the template only relates to the actual release products record. It does not store information from related tables that you have available up from the action pane.